This is Inverter Architecture Dashboard. At the top, multiple solar panels are displayed showing plant layout and DC power generation flow. Each panel is connected to its respective inverter, where DC power is converted into usable AC power, helping industries monitor device-level performance and status. Below the inverters, the grid connection line represents power evacuation to the utility grid for distribution and consumption. All inverters are integrated through a gateway, which collects plant data and enables secure communication. The gateway further connects to the AdiCloudX Platform, allowing centralized monitoring, analytics, and remote access. On the right, the grid tower visualization indicates final power export and total plant energy contribution. This architecture view helps users understand end-to-end power flow, device connectivity, and overall plant infrastructure in a single screen. This is Solar Plant Overview Dashboard. At the top, key tiles like current power, today's energy, plant availability, and total active fault provide a quick snapshot of overall plant generation, uptime, and fault status, helping industries track operational health instantly. On the left, the inverter status panel shows running condition and power contribution of each inverter for quick performance visibility. In the center, the weather station section displays environmental conditions impacting solar generation. Next, the performance panel highlights PR ratio, CUF, and energy loss, important indicators of plant efficiency. On the right, grid status shows inverter connectivity and export condition to the utility grid. At the bottom, the energy chart presents generation trends, supported by history selection for day, week, month, and 6-month analysis, along with a detailed energy data table. This dashboard enables centralized monitoring of plant performance, faults, weather impact, and energy trends in one unified view. This is Inverter Dashboard. At the top, inverter status shows the running condition and overall health of the inverter. Key sections like DC power, efficiency, today's energy, total energy, AC power, and inverter loading provide a quick overview of plant generation and performance, helping industries track productivity at a glance. On the left, DC input displays voltage, current, and insulation status, important for input safety and stability. Below that, string status shows individual string performance, useful for fault detection and maintenance planning. In the center, the performance panel covers PR ratio, CUF, and inverter temperature, critical for efficiency and equipment health monitoring. At the bottom, the power and energy chart allows users to view live data as well as historical trends. The same chart can display day, week, month, and 6-month history for performance analysis. On the right, AC output shows grid side parameters, and system status indicates grid and communication health. This dashboard enables centralized monitoring and performance analysis of the inverter system. This is Weather Station Dashboard. At the top, weather station status shows the operational condition of the station. Key tiles like wind speed, module temperature, and atmospheric pressure provide a quick view of environmental conditions impacting solar generation. On the left, solar irradiance displays radiation metrics, important for measuring sunlight availability and plant output potential. Next, temperature monitoring tracks ambient and module temperatures, helping industries monitor thermal performance and panel health. In the center, wind monitoring shows wind speed, direction, and alarm status, useful for structural safety and operational planning. On the right, weather impact highlights how environmental factors affect power generation, performance ratio, and system losses. At the bottom, soiling loss chart helps analyze dust impact on panel efficiency over time. Alongside, rain and humidity and rainfall chart provide precipitation trends, supporting cleaning schedules and performance optimization. This dashboard enables real-time weather monitoring and its direct impact on solar plant performance. This is Inverter String Dashboard. At the top, key tiles like today energy, daily PR, average voltage, average current, and total strings current provide a quick overview of string-level generation and performance, helping industries evaluate inverter output quality. Below, the History Selection panel allows users to analyze data across day, week, month, and 6-month periods for deeper performance insights. On the left, the String Current Trend Chart displays live and historical current flow of individual strings, useful for identifying imbalance, underperformance, or faults. On the right, the String Voltage Trend Chart shows voltage behavior across strings, helping detect mismatch, degradation, or connection issues. Both charts support live monitoring as well as historical analysis in the same view. This dashboard enables detailed string-level monitoring for performance optimization and faster maintenance decisions. This is the Inverter Overview Report designed for plant operators, energy managers, and performance analysts to evaluate inverter-level contribution and efficiency across the solar plant. The report summarizes key performance indicators including total DC power, total AC power, average PR, average CUF, and total energy for the selected time period, providing a clear snapshot of overall inverter performance. An energy contribution breakdown by inverter visually highlights how each inverter contributes to total plant generation, making it easy to identify imbalance or underperforming units. Efficiency and energy deviation indicators quantify conversion performance and deviation from expected output, supporting fast performance benchmarking. A detailed inverter-wise table presents DC power, AC power, PR ratio, CUF, and energy generation for each inverter, enabling side-by-side comparison and data-backed operational decisions. This report supports performance optimization, fault diagnosis, and audit-ready energy reporting, helping maximize inverter efficiency and overall plant yield. This is the Inverter Performance Report, designed to provide detailed, time-based performance analysis for an individual inverter. The report is generated for a specific plant and a selected inverter, including inverter ID, inverter name, and communication identifier, ensuring traceability and audit accuracy. Timestamp data captures DC power input, AC power output, energy generation, PR ratio, and CUF values across the reporting period, enabling precise performance evaluation at each interval. This granular data helps operators identify performance variations, conversion losses, and efficiency trends throughout the day. A page-level summary aggregates key metrics, providing a concise snapshot of average inverter performance for the selected date. This report supports root cause analysis, preventive maintenance planning, and performance benchmarking at the inverter level. Each report is generated per inverter and per reporting period, ensuring focused analysis, accurate comparison, and reliable performance tracking across the plant. This is the Plant Performance and Summary Report, designed to provide a consolidated view of overall solar plant performance for the selected reporting period. The report presents time-stamped operational data including current power, today's energy, plant availability, CUF, PR ratio, and energy loss, offering a comprehensive picture of plant health and efficiency throughout the day. Plant availability highlights system uptime and operational readiness, while PR ratio and CUF values measure performance efficiency and capacity utilization against expected benchmarks. Energy loss indicators help identify periods of underperformance and potential operational or environmental impacts. By combining generation, availability, and performance metrics in a single report, this summary enables trend analysis, performance benchmarking, and data-driven operational decisions at the plant level. This report supports management review, compliance documentation, and long-term performance optimization across the solar plant. Alarm Management, Live and History. This is the alarm management screen, providing real-time visibility of active alarms and a complete historical record of cleared events. Live Alarms. The Live Alarms view displays all currently active faults across connected inverters. Each alarm entry shows the alarm group, tag name, message, status, activation time, and priority. High-priority alarms are highlighted for immediate attention. Acknowledged status indicates whether the alarm has been reviewed by an operator. This enables rapid fault identification and real-time operational response. History alarms. The History Alarms view provides a time-filtered record of previously triggered alarms. Users can filter alarms by date range. Each record captures activation time, clear time, priority, and recorded values. This supports root cause analysis, maintenance validation, and compliance documentation. This is 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. It ensures secure audit trails, electronic signatures, and controlled user access. This helps industries maintain data integrity, traceability, and regulatory compliance. Audit trail. It records every user activity performed in the system. All actions are time-stamped and traceable. This ensures transparency, accountability, and regulatory compliance. Roles allows administrators to create and manage user roles. Access permissions can be assigned based on responsibilities. This ensures secure, controlled, and role-based system access. Users. It allows administrators to create and manage system users. User details, access rights, and status can be controlled here. This ensures secure and organized user management.